Fernando Pampanga. Welcome to Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, another buffet naman ang pupuntahan natin dito sa may San Fernando, Pampanga.
Guys, this is Umpukan. It's an unlimited buffet. And if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Maaga po kaming nakarating dito sa Umpukan at nang makita po natin how does it look like bago mag-start yung dining natin. So, right now, ayan, ito yung dining area natin. Chairs and tables. And I think ready na yung mga dishes natin doon. So, tingnan natin sila. Mami, where are you gonna go first? Anong titikman mo?
Sa tingin mo?
Japanese. Siyempre. Yun, no?
Alright. So this is their shabu-shabu and dim sum station. So dito is kung kayo yung mahilig sa mga sabaw, ito yung dapat station sa inyo. Same time, yung mga siomai nila. Bye! Siomai! Yan na.
So dito pala guys, you're gonna create your own or do it your own and then have dito sa table mo. So at least, di ba? Makuha mo yung mga gusto mo, pagkatapos nun, hintayin mo na lang sa table.
I'm done with the shabu-shabu and dim sum station. So, pili naman tayo ng ibang station na pwede natin kainin. So, dito sa buffet area nila, napakadami mong choices. Meron tayong Korean, meron tayong samji, meron din tayong mga skewers, Japanese, pork salad, and siyempre yung mga makis nila. So, ayan, so kuha muna tayo. So, pili lang tayo.
Gotcha! Sisig. So dito guys, meron tayong section for the Filipino dishes naman. Mostly mga Kapampangan. So dito, sisig, tsaka yung buru. Additionally, may mga Bicol Express tayo, may saltigal.
Naman, kaya kinuha ko is pansit. Siyempre, pampahaba ng buhay, pansit.
Alright, so solved na naman yung next plate natin. Let's go to our table. Creamy yan, eh.
Sisig na kayo.
Alright, so ayun nga guys, isa na namang gabing busog na busog. Maraming salamat Umpukan.
Yeah, so for their time naman, so nagsisimula sila from breakfast to dinner. So for their breakfast time, nagsisimula sila ng 6:30 hanggang 9:30 AM. For their lunch naman, nagsisimula sila ng 11:30 hanggang 2:30 PM. And for their dinner, it's 5:30 hanggang 9 PM. Monday to Sunday.
Monday to Sunday. Yes. So, for their promos, make sure to check out their fan page. Meron po silang mga birthday promos.
Yes.
And a lot more. So, make sure to check out and follow their fan page. So, yun guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys. Bye, Mami.